Hello, Heinz Academy families. Miss Jackie here, and I just wanted to jump on today to discuss this crazy new world that we're living in and what it's going to look like for us this year at dance. If you've been with us for the past 18 months or so, you know that our main goal is keeping our students safe and keeping them active and engaged at the studio with their friends. Our student safety is our main priority, and we want to do our best at creating some sort of normal for them during this crazy time. With that being said, I do want to take a little bit of time today to discuss how we're dealing with COVID as we head back to classes this next week. As kind of a general rule of thumb, we will be loosely following the schools and the guidelines that are set forth by them. We will not require students to wear masks as we head back to classes this time. We, of course, support any and all students and families who choose to continue with masks and highly encourage it for those who are not fully vaccinated. We are always continually assessing the risks and case counts in the area, and we will modify these guidelines as we see fit to ensure our student safety and ensure that we can continue to have classes. We will continue to social distance as best we can when the students are in the classrooms, and we will continue with our thorough cleaning of the facility between classes every day, and also a very thorough cleaning at the beginning of every day before the students re-enter the building. We also will continue to have hand sanitizer available in the lobby area and also in the studio rooms as well for all the students and staff to use. One thing that we are going to continue with at this point is our guideline regarding parents in the building during classes. Of course, parents are allowed in the building to make sure that their students get settled into class, and then of course at the end to pick them up at the end of class, but we do ask that parents not remain in the building during classes. This will help us keep the head count down of people in the building, as well as helping keep the building cleaner for the students and not creating as much cleaning for our staff to do outside of when the students are there. We do ask, obviously, that you guys help us in this process and be mindful of your exposure and potential exposure. We still do have the capability of running virtual classes and are more than happy to set those up for students who feel that they've been exposed, or maybe for those that are starting to travel and would like to quarantine for a few days. Or even, just in the case that you are sick, maybe with something not related to COVID, but still want to attend class, but don't want to expose your classmates. We are more than happy to set up virtual classes for you to take from the comfort of your home in any of those circumstances. We realize that things are changing daily and do not take our responsibility lightly when it comes to keeping our students safe and healthy. We will continue to communicate with our families throughout the year as things change or as further restrictions are lifted. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us and keep checking your email with any changes that might occur. And we look forward to seeing everyone in class next week.